Hey guys, I'm back and I'm showing you how to build a flat ground. Please like and subscribe and comment if you want, because I need this. But it's gonna, so I'm just gonna go into it. Okay, so it's 5 by 1, so you go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can go a little, never mind. I didn't say that. And then put 2 sticky pistons on top of each other on the redstone like this. And put your observers. And then put blocks like this. And then put a repeater like this. And dig down here and put another repeater on 4 ticks. So you right click it 3 times after you place it. 1, 2, 3. And then like this, make sure there's a block up here, or else it'll just not work. And then put redstone dust. 1, 2, 3, break this one, put a block, put a lever, redstone torch, and then gotta put a sticky piston, slot blocks, and then an observer, 2 blocks, another sticky piston, redstone dust, and that's how it works. Now, if you're a Doodlo guy and you want to learn how to do it with the pressure plate, all you gotta do is close this, and then build blocks like this right here. Place redstone dust. Boom. Boom, pow, bang, and you just place your pressure plate right here, and it opens, it closes, or you just step off. That works too. So if you have a waypoint mod, you set a pull waypoint right here, and then you see where the trap opens. This is where you want your enemy to be. So set a trap waypoint right here. So you want your enemies to be here. So that's where your waypoint is. So that's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks apart when you're running. It just closes. So, yay, that's a flat ground. Like and subscribe. Goodbye.